Hi, my name is Dara, and I am here to discuss a major issue that is currently plaguing our nation: traumatic brain injury. It is estimated that 1.6 to 3.8 million sport-related traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs, occur in the U.S. each year. This includes every 1 in 220 pediatric patients admitted to the ER. Let's start off with the big question. What is a concussion? A concussion is a TBI caused by a bump or blow to the head, leading to rapid back and forth movement. This leads to chemical changes and damage in the brain. Repetitive brain injury can lead to complications later in life, including the development of an undiagnosable disorder known as CTE. CTE is a degenerative brain disease found in athletes, military veterans, and others with a history of repetitive brain trauma. In CTE, a protein known as tau clumps up and slowly spreads throughout the brain, killing brain cells. Major symptoms of this condition can be divided into 3 categories, which include neuropsychiatric, cognitive, and motor. Step 1 of the disorder looks like this, and this is the stage where the disease is beginning to develop, but no symptoms are present. Step 2, which is the neuropsychiatric stage, presents as rage, impulsivity, and depression. Step 3 is where depreciation of cognitive responses occur and confusion and memory loss become apparent. Then comes Step 4, which is when motor function depreciates and advanced dementia evolves. A concussion is a complex brain injury that results in more than 100,000 ER visits for school-aged children each year in the U.S. TBIs also represent approximately 9% of all high school sports injuries. It has even been proven that neuropathological changes of CTE may begin in athletes as young as 17 years old. More research is needed to establish the relationship between high school collegiate sports and the development of CTE, which is why we should be exploring this current undiagnosable condition that affects immeasurable amounts of people around the world. So by now, you must be wondering, what is the tau protein? The tau protein is a lepton within nerve cells that connects itself to the microtubule, and it helps to maintain the function and structures of the nerve cells in the brain. So, when these are disrupted, neuropathological symptoms will appear. My proposed solution is a way to help identify CTE before it is too late, by utilizing a specific tracer which can be used during a PET scan to identify distinctive brain tau pathology of CTE in living patients. Recently, similar findings were published on November 10, 2017 by Bennett Omalu, MD, and other associates as they used this tracer to track the development of CTE, but were unable to measure data until the patient was deceased. This closely parallels my solution. However, ideally there would be a way to extract this data while the patient was still alive. A possible avenue for detection could be that analysis could occur during the extraction of the blood, and therefore decreasing the time elapsed prior to the protein being cleared from the system. I hope you learned something valuable today and decide to take advantage of my research to generate real change in the world, because we have to start somewhere.